Hey, it's Ron Desi here on behalf of Brian Winters to welcome you to Brian's revolutionary free list building web funnel creator, Dualsqueeze.com. After watching this 2-minute video, you have permission to enter your email and click the Join Free button below to claim your first Dualsqueeze web funnel 100% free of charge. No credit card details are required, it's 100% free, and there are no strings attached. So, what's a Dualsqueeze web funnel, you ask? Well, quickly, it's an ingenious new breed website funnel that Brian and his team designed specifically to get other people to help build you a profitable email list much faster than the old school one-by-one list building methods. The secret to how the Dualsqueeze system works is simple. There are 2 opt-in email pages in every Dualsqueeze web funnel. Well, the first email opt-in goes to you. The second goes to another Dualsqueeze member, the person who referred you. And what that means for you is that everybody you refer will be building your email list for you on literal autopilot as they promote their own Dualsqueeze web funnels. It's simply amazing. Brian's built lists of hundreds of thousands of subscribers simply by incorporating a second and sometimes even a third opt-in page into his own web funnels. And thanks to Dualsqueeze, now it's your turn. This isn't MLM or spam or anything unethical. Again, the simple secret is 2 separate opt-in pages built into every free Dualsqueeze website funnel. This enables our ingenious system to automatically generate and include a page where visitors subscribe to your email list within the web funnels of other Dualsqueeze members. And by the way, your first Dualsqueeze website has to be 100% free with no strings attached, or the system wouldn't work. So go ahead and sign up for free below and thank us later today after your subscribers have started pouring in. Enter your best email address and click Join Free below right now, and we'll see you inside with your new Dualsqueeze web funnel.